Spinach is a cool season, yearly yield that is anything but difficult to grow. Planting and tending spinach. Beginning spinach seeds indoors not long before fall is a decent method to get a major advantage over the cool growing season. However, spinach seed germinates effectively such a large number of individuals simply plant them legitimately into the garden bed no issues. Sow them half inch down and 1 inch separated in the late summer or spring. When seedlings arrive at an inch or so tall, slender them out with the goal that they end up 4 to 6 inches separated from one another. Spinach is an astounding possibility for progression planting. Just sow another column of seeds consistently for half a month. When the temperatures start to climb, you might be compelled to stop as much spinach gets despondent in the warmth. At the end point, when temps go up, spinach needs to jolt, which closes the life cycle of the plant. This is one yield that flourishes in soil that is wealthy in the natural issues. Truth be told, you might not need to fertilize all the season on the off chance that you work some brilliant manure into the bed. In the event that the leaves begin to turn out to be light green, don't hesitate to give them high nitrogen fertilizer support. Reasonable admonition. On the off chance that they have incredible green shading, avoid taking care of in light of the fact that the flavor will be influenced by over preparation. Mulch the base of the plants with the straw or leaves to help keep the dirt wet and cool. Spinach likes customary water, however, attempt to stay away from the leaves with the goal that buildup isn't energized. A few people harvest the plant at the same time by cutting the whole thing off at the base, and others just gradually harvest the leaves by taking the external ones first until the warmth sets in and the plant gives out. Most spinach assortments develop around 30 to 45 days, generally significant for growing spinach. Fertilize just if vital because of moderate growth, or use an enhancement if your dirt pH is lacking. At the point when seedlings are fledgling to around 2 inches, slender them to 3 to 4 inches separated. Past diminishing, no development is important. Roots are shallow and effortlessly harmed. Keep soil moist with mulching. Water regularly. Spinach can tolerate the cold. It can survive a frost and temps down to 15 Fahrenheit. How to harvest spinach. Watch out for your plants. Harvest when leaves arrive at the ideal size. Try not to stand by too long to harvest or hang tight for bigger leaves. Harshness will set in rapidly after development. The entire plant can be harvested on the double and cut at the base, or leaves might be taken out from plants, each layer in turn, giving inward layers more opportunity to create.